Hi everyone. So as I mentioned in one of my earlier sessions, we're going to explore Claude. So before we do that, so what is Claude? So I just did a search, right? So it's a family of advanced AI language models. It's a kind of a chatbot, and it's developed by a company called Anthropic. They are pretty much like focused on AI. A lot of stuff they're becoming one of the top three AI companies. So Claude is basically it's an AI assistant. So there are multiple things. There is a Claude AI. There is a Claude Code. Like that. So let's. So I wanted to just. So let's see. I went to Claude dot. If you go to Claude dot AI dot on, so if you first go to Claude dot AI, it will ask you to create an account, which I already did, or you can use your existing Google accounts, and then once you're logged in, it just welcomes you. And also this is the first screen. So before we get started, what should I call you? So you can call me Nan. I'll just give something and let's explore it. So now it is asking me, what do you want to do? Do you want help in coding or learning or writing and content creation, business strategy, design and creativity, life stuff, cloud choices? So let me say I'll do life stuff, and let's go. So develop. Okay, so it's giving me some stuff. Self care, practice, exercise, role play. Okay, let's say I have my own topic. Okay, now I will say I want a recipe to cook mac and cheese. And this is the, if you see Claude Sonnet 4, that's the LLM model. So let's see. So if you see, like, I mean, it just gave me the whole recipe in within seconds, and the ingredients and how to cook it and everything like that. So this is just an example, but we can also go back and say, if you want to, let's say, write a piece of code. So this is some one of the things. Okay, so let's go back. Projects, chats. Okay, so it will save my chat. So if I want to say, I want to write a piece of Python code to print hello world. Okay, I should say new chat. Okay, let's do this. So it's a single line of code which will say, which will give me. And well, how about if I want to, how about adding reading from a file. So it will modify and it will give me exact. See, I mean, it's pretty much doing it. So then I don't have to do all that stuff. So Claude, that's the piece, that it kind of gets you a lot of stuff. But the thing is, you shouldn't just simply, we shouldn't simply copy it. It's basically guidance. So we take the input, and then we can take a look at it and change it the way we want. But it can make our lives very efficiency will increase, because now that you have already somebody, you have these all AI agents already helping you to do a lot of stuff. So you don't have to go and Google and then figure out the right way to do it. Similarly, if I want to write, I want to write it back to a file, then it will add that piece of code also, and it will give to me. So this is some of the things we can play around. And this is, so the one I'm using is a free tier. So there are multiple tiers. If you go to Claude.ai, and once you log in, it will ask you to choose. So if you choose the free tier, this is the one I'm using. It is pretty much limited, but if you pay, then it will have some other features. So this is the Claude AI. Another thing with it is it's something called Claude Code. So that one is basically, it runs on your desktop, and that is it will explore the files in your repos. It can do a lot of stuff, like it can advise you Like if you already have a piece of code, then it can make it, efficient. Or if you want to add parallelism or asynchronous stuff to your code for the calls you are making, so it can help you in that. So some of the good things you can use it. So we looked at the Claude AI right now. Then I wanted to introduce you all to Claude Code. So it's basically coming from a company called Anthropic. Anthropic is one of the leading AI research and solutions provider. Anthropic, like some others. The other one is Cursor, which I will also talk about. But basically, if you go to anthropic.com, or if you just look for Claude Code, you will see this, and then you can also try it out. You can download it, but basically what it does, it's a tool for the developers. It helps the developers get a fresh start. You don't have to write anything from scratch, right? So if you see, it has this page has a lot of information, and it has many examples what it can do for you. And and then also it integrates with IDEs. So a lot of time we use VS Code. It's a very popular one, and then JetBrains. So it can integrate with it, and then it can work from within your IDE. And then another important thing is that it works with various tools. So, like it can connect to other tools, right? So, for example, when you're working, if you are, well, of course, you will use some source code repository like GitHub. So it can integrate with that, and you can directly, work with that, like check in, check out. You can, and you can also have questions related to, can you do this, can you do this, like we saw in Claude AI. So basically, you don't have to write this commands, it will automatically do. So basically the base is, it is a Node.js application. So you will need node, and then you can just install using npm. And then this one, basically what it will be like, even if you have a old a set of code, it will just go over it, and it can give you a summary in the in a few seconds. And it will basically, it can understand your project structure and dependencies. So you can ask, okay, what are my main projects, where is the dependency, how do I debug this, what is the issue. And then it will help you with that. And it, since it integrates with GitHub and GitLab, you can use, from your terminal, you can just like, do everything. So these are some of the things about Cloud Code. So if you want, you could give it a shot. And also there is another one called Cursor. Cursor is another company that is also in the same AI code editor. This one, basically, it's a similar, it's very powerful, it's becoming slowly coming up. And see, it's already, going being adopted by a lot of companies. And so it's basically same thing. It will basically, let you look at the code base, and then it will let you do, make changes. So all of these, and also if you must have seen Copilot is also very powerful. It integrates with, again, VS Code. So from VS Code, you can directly ask Copilot, okay, can you give me a piece of code that will, write to the database. Or can you create a piece of code which will do this or that. And that's basically it will enhance, your capabilities. And it will basically, it gives you more power to do things that, you don't have to waste time on it. So these are some of the code related, Cloud Code, Cursor. These are some of the code, and Copilot, these are some of the ones if you want to explore.